In this video, I will show you step by step how you can use the DeepSeek AI and what the features are. So DeepSeek is a new released AI and is totally open source. So to start, you just want to click on Start Now, and then you want to sign up right here or log in with your Google account. Then let's dive into the software. We have, if we open this DeepSeek AI up, the normal ChatGPT window with the chat message right here. Down here, we have two options to turn on or to turn off. So if we click on DeepSeek R1, you can solve much more complex problems. If you turn all off, you can see that you will just get the answer like in ChatGPT. If we now type in 2 + 2 is with DeepSeek, you will see that the answer is a little bit more complex. So as you can see, we just see how this AI is thinking and how it's getting to this solution. To fix that, you have the Chinese words right here. You can go to the profile on the bottom left corner, then click on settings, and right here you can click on English. Turn this off, click this away, or even change the theme right here, dark and light. I prefer the dark mode. Go back. Okay, so as you can see, we can exactly see what the AI is doing in the background and then why it gave out this solution. If we turn on this web search, you can even search in the web totally for free. So this software is 100% free for a limited use per day, but this limit is quite high, and you can just type in things like, what is the biggest city? Okay, so we want to have these latest information, but as you can see, the AI is not using the web search, so we need a more complex thing. Let's type in, what are the 8 biggest cities by population? And now you will see, hopefully, exactly, you will see this little icon right here, found 50 results. So this AI is now searching in the web, and you can even click on this and see all the results the AI is looking for and taking advantage of. So I don't know why I'm getting this Chinese website right now as results, but normally I can see exactly what websites these are, and then this AI is thinking a little bit. As you can see, the process is a little bit longer all in all with web search and DeepSeek. For example, one project that I created with just a single line of prompt was this little Pong game. So you should know what Pong is. So my task for the AI was create the game Pong in a modern design by just using one HTML code. And this one was the response. So right here, it was thinking about 11 seconds. So that's quite fast for this complex topic. You can see, okay, I need to create the classic Pong game using just one HTML file with a modern design. Let me break down what's required. So you get this whole breakdown, and then you got this answer down here, the whole HTML file. And down here you even have an instruction and what the features are of this HTML code and this program. So we want to test this HTML code now. So we can click in this AI run HTML, and as you can see, this is the game created with just this one single prompt. Then we can click on start, and as you can see, this program is working from second 1. So the ball is getting faster. This one was created by the AI itself, and this is a bug created by the AI. If the ball starts in the middle and goes to the enemy, to the computer, the ball is stuck on this pedal. But with just a little more prompts, this one will get fixed in a few seconds. So this AI is pretty impressive. If you want to see a project building Tetris in ChatGPT and in DeepSeek and compare both results, click on this video right here.